Hello everyone, this is Dean. Today is Tuesday. Today we will save this loader. I love this color. The white and black color. And the counter one is black color. I love this logo. Very love this logo. And yes. And this is very handsome, and my customer very love it. And this is light. 哪个好？这个？有点平了。对。哪个呢？
那个松一点，但是差不多。
Oh, this is not. 这个运行，是吧？Slide. Very easy. 气质很好。And this is the man spare parts for the customer. Very nice. And logo. It's very useful. And this color also very handsome. Black and red color. Very nice. Very nice. Yes, very nice. And this is black green color. I love this color also. Yes. This is for mud color and black color, orange color, and white color. Will be shipped in this Friday. Yes. 那个照片带了吧？啊，发视频了，行。我感觉。Thank you. Thank you for the video. This is the matte black color.